Hello everyone. First, the login screen. Enter your email and password you used to register on Portal and check Remember Me button if you want to stay logged in for your next session. The MEPAIA interface is very simple and intuitive. On top, you have bar with model dropdown, where you can choose your available model. You can also choose the language. These are the languages the AI uses to transcribe your voice commands. So, for example, if you use German, the AI will understand voice commands said or typed in German. You have theme toggle button that you can use to change the current theme. You can clear the chat by clicking on this button here, and you can collapse your window by clicking this button here. This way it saves up a lot of space and you can still enter your voice commands. On the left we have simple navigation. This button is used for collapsing or expanding these navigation tabs. First we have chat tab. On the bottom you have simple input. You have button to attach files. You have microphone button to enter your voice command and enter button, or you can simply use your enter key on keyboard to send the voice command to AI. On the account tab, you can log out or jump to your web portal and you have listed all available licenses with their expiration dates. On the settings tab, you can see your current theme and your current language. You can always jump to audio input settings and see all audio input options. Whether you have multiple input options on your device or for any other reason, you can always check desired input and test it by clicking this Test Microphone button here. If you are experiencing difficulties with audio input within the application, we recommend checking Windows settings. Just go to System and Sound Settings. Here you can test all available input devices. You can add a new device or review any changes made through the volume mixer. If you have any issues, you can click Report a Problem button and describe what happened. This way, the log files will automatically be sent to our support team and they will fix them. The last tab is Documentation. Please read this before you start using MEPAIA. It lists all working voice commands, and it will help you understand exactly what each voice command can do. Thank you for watching.